The triangle PQR, this is the triangle P, is the P point, this is the Q point, and this is the R point, and this triangle is PQR. And the bisector of PQR, this is the angle PQR, PQ and R, this is the angle PQR. And the bisector of PRQ, PRQ. So this is the angle PRQ. Intersect the bisector of these two angles intersect at point Y. This is point Y. The straight line XYZ is parallel to QR. This is the line XYZ and this is QR line. These two lines are parallel. And in this question we need to prove that the perimeter of the triangle PXZ. So PX and Z. This is PX and Z triangle. Now we need to prove that its perimeter is PQ plus PR. This we need to prove. Now, first of all, we will see that what is the given information in this question. In this question, we are given with that there is a triangle and the bisector of PQR and PRQ intersect at Y. And the straight lines are, the straight line XYZ is parallel to QR. Now, the bisector of these two angles, that is PQR. This is the bisector which is meeting. These two bisectors are meeting the bisector of this angle and the bisector of this angle. So this is QY is the bisector and RY is the bisector. These two are meeting at this point R. Now, since this QY is the bisector, therefore this angle, this upper angle, the small angle, this angle may be represented with the small letter A, and this angle is represented with the small angle B. Now, these two angles are equal because QY is the bisector. It is given in the question that QY is the bisector, therefore angle A is equal to angle B. So I can write it here as angle A is equal to angle B. Now, this line X, Y, and Z, then the line which is passing through these two points, this line is parallel to this line QR. This is the QR line. Now, since this line is parallel, and if we take this QR as a transversal, and X, Y, Z, and QR are parallel, therefore, this angle, that is, if we take this angle and this angle, these two angles are equal. Now, why these two angles are equal? Because this angle, this may be angle C, and the angle B are alternate angles. We know that if the lines are parallel, then the alternate angles are equal. So this B angle is equal to angle C. So I can write angle B is equal to angle C. Now, since A is equal to B and B is equal to C, so this angle A must be equal to angle C. Therefore, angle A is, this implies angle A is equal to angle C. So we have now this simplified figure that we have got two angles, that is angle A is here and this was angle B and this was angle C. And now we have proven that angle A is equal to angle C. Now, if you take into account the triangle XQY, so in XQY, A is equal to C. Now, if A is equal to C, it means that XQY, that is this triangle XQY, is an isosceles triangle. And in isosceles triangle, we know the two sides are equal, and sides which are equal are opposite to the equal angle. Therefore, XQ, this implies XQ must be equal to, now the XQ is opposite to the angle C, and this must be equal to the side which is opposite to the angle A, and the side which is opposite to an angle A is XY. So x cube is equal to xy. So we will be using this information in order to find out the perimeter of the triangle. We got triangle that is PXZ. Similarly, if you take into account here this angle, that is angle PZPRQ. So this line is again the bisector. This line is the bisector, therefore we can take any angle, maybe angle E, this small angle is angle E, and this small angle may be F. So E is equal to F, because this RY is a transversal, rather bisector. It is given in the question. E is equal to F. Now, if you take into account these two lines, that is the X, Y, Z, and this line Q, R, and this is the transversal line. If you take account of this line, then we know that again the alternate angles are equal. So here in this case, this angle, that is angle E, is forming a pair with this angle here, and these two angles must be equal. This angle may be angle G. So E is equal to G, because the lines are parallel, and if the lines are parallel, then the alternate angles are equal. Therefore, E is equal to G as well. Now E is equal to G, therefore F is equal to G as well. So F and G, this is G and this is F, and if you take into account this triangle, that is X, Z, and R, so this will become again an isosceles triangle, and the angle, the sides opposite to the equal angles are also equal. So what is the side which is opposite to the angle F? That is YZ. So YZ must be equal to the side which is opposite to the angle G, and this is angle G, and this is the side opposite to angle G, Z R or RZ, same thing, Z R. Now we will be finding the perimeter and using these two results in order to prove that perimeter is equal to PQ plus PR. So in simple term, if we take the perimeter of P, this is P, this is Q, and this is Z. So PQZ, that will be PZ. The perimeter will be equal to P, may be the perimeter, and that will be equal to PZ, P rather X, plus this side, that is XY, and plus this side YZ, and plus this side, that is PZ or ZP. Now we have to prove that the perimeter of the triangle PXZ is in terms of PQ and PR. So we must be replacing values so that we can able to get PQ plus PR. Now PX. So first of all we figure it out where is PX. This is PX. So we will be retaining this PX plus XY. So XY, we have to replace this value with XQ because XY we have already proven that it is equal to XQ plus YZ. Now YZ we have proven that YZ is equal to ZR. So instead of YZ we will replacing it with ZR. Yeah, RZ. ZR and plus PZ we will be leaving it as it is. PZ. Now px plus xq. So here we have got px and here we have got xq. Now this length plus this length and this whole length. This is equal to this whole length and this whole length will be equal to pq plus zr plus pz. So this is our zr and this is our pz. And this whole is equal to this, the sum of these two will be equal to this whole side, that is P R. So we have proven that the perimeter P is equal to PQ plus PR, and this was what it was required in the question to prove that the perimeter of this given triangle is PQ plus QR.